Hello and thank you for joining us for this episode of City Council Roundup. I'm your host, Josh Lee.
And I'm Kathleen Pade.
And today we're going to be doing a quick recap from the meeting on Monday, October 14th, 2019. Today we're going to talk about cross-connection control and prevention, a grant to help when hiring firefighters, and the renewal of a landscape maintenance contract. First, the Cross-Connection Control and Prevention Ordinance, or as I like to call it, C3PO? Star Wars acronym.
No.
No?
No.
No, okay. That's fair. This is an ordinance that is required by the Texas Commission on Environmental Quality, or TCEQ.
Oh, actual acronym.
No, the moment's gone. It's fine. Don't worry about it. Under this regulation, public water system owners are required to do four main things: adopt an ordinance, require inspection, require backflow, and conduct annual testing, but only for water connections that can cause death, illness, or the spread of disease that could be introduced into the water supply if backflow isn't in place or working properly. What that means for residents is that the majority won't be impacted by this because they don't present a health hazard. Only those with an irrigation system with chemical additives, a pool with an automatic chemical feed, or a property with a septic system will be affected.
Next, the Safer Firefighter Hiring Grant. City staff applied for the federal government's Staffing for Adequate Fire Emergency Response, or SAFER program, in an effort to pursue alternative funding for the positions necessary to operate Fire Station Number 8, which is now under construction on the north side of Shadow Creek Parkway, just west of 288. The grant was awarded for $1.9 million and is allocated over a 3-year period as a matched portion of the total investment in firefighters. Thanks to the grant, the current hiring timeline will be expedited by a full year. This is a highly competitive grant program, and this award is another testament to our dedication to public safety and fiscal responsibility.
Finally, the landscape maintenance contract. This was just a renewal with Maldonado Nursery and Landscaping, so the contract has already been in place. We mention it because it's a large contract at just over $1 million and a staggering amount of work for that budget. The scope of this contract covers litter removal, tree maintenance, flower bed maintenance, irrigation repair and management, mulching, pest control, fertilization, turf grass management, and mowing on a weekly basis of 299 acres of city-owned property. That's like cutting the grass of every home in Bella Vita, Villa d'Este, Villa Verde combined, every single week. And there are 995 homes in those three neighborhoods. If we break it down like that, the city is paying $23.50 per yard per week for mowing, basically the same as any average homeowner who pays for lawn service, just on a larger scale. And the contract is based on scheduled work, so if the work is impacted by inclement weather, we don't pay for the missed schedule. Essentially, the value of all this combined service far outweighs the costs that would be associated to manage this service with in-house teams.
That's all we wanted to cover today.
Thanks for joining us. We hope that this series makes the information easy to understand and useful for those that are interested in Pearland government.
As always, you can find links to more detailed information below or by visiting pearlandtx.gov. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions.
Click here if you'd like to watch the last City Council Roundup video, or here to subscribe to the channel. Do you think Disney's watching?
Oh, Disney's always watching.